We break the headlines from all over Ghana and around the world.
In the SCTV North District in the Ahafo region, citizens of Kenyasi and its market workers have their livelihoods halted, as they are unable to earn a living to support themselves and their families anytime it rains. This is the current situation of the market of Kenyasi after a heavy downpour yesterday, destroying almost everything. Talking to some of the market women, they shared their sentiments with J4H News that though their area is mining community, but they really struggle anytime it rains. They further pleaded with the government to come to their aid with an immediate effect. This is how they told us. In a recent write-up by a global foundation, the President for Justice for Humanity, Megan Saidu, has officially written to Honorable Anthony J. Mensah, who is the District Chief Executive of the SCTV North District in Ahafo region, about this situation. In the letter, she stated that the videos circulating on social media have reached beyond the borders of Ghana and as such is first becoming noticed globally. She trusts the DCE's office would rather not have the world's eyes upon him for his lack of regard and total inaction with regards to the situation. My name is Gibson Timteria from Ahafo, Kenyasi.
We break the headlines from all over Ghana and around the world.